for Mamala or for Papalo?
Okay.
Okay, it's for Papalo. Wait! I'm rolling.
Yeah.
I'm rolling the trophy. I'm rolling this one.
Okay.
Um, Wait, Pablo.
Yes.
I'm rolling.
Yeah. Okay. I'm waiting.
You give this to Papalo?
Yeah.
Okay.
For Mamala.
For Mamala. You make one for Daddy.
Okay, the wallet.
Okay.
The wallet. And you open.
Yeah.
And you keep your hat.
Yeah, be careful. Don't open, okay? You wait for Mommy.